Today we're going to be making pickled jalapeños escabeche style. This is like classic in Mexican cuisine. The perfect accompaniment for so many dishes. And I just love the simplicity. It's going to be a staple at your household. It does not even compare to store-bought. The star of the show is going to be our beautiful jalapeños. I've got a pound of them. And if you want to wear gloves for this step, it is totally acceptable. But I'm going to remove that stem from all of the jalapeños. Now cut them in half. I'm going to transfer them into a separate dish for now. Now 8 ounces of carrots, I'm gonna peel them, slice the ends off, and cut them in a diagonal about 1/2 inch in thickness. We also need a whole onion. Slice it as close in thickness to those carrots. Additionally, I have 10 ounces of cauliflower florets cut into bite-sized pieces, and 12 peeled garlic cloves. I've got a large pot over medium heat. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, enough to cook all of the ingredients. If you need slightly more during the cooking process, feel free to do that. I'm gonna start with the carrots and cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally just until they begin to slightly soften. If you notice any browning, go ahead and lower the heat. You want a gentle sizzle, but not too much color. While that's happening, lightly crack 1.5 teaspoons of black peppercorns. Now add the jalapeños, cauliflower, and garlic and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally just until the vegetables are starting to soften. About halfway through, add the onion. Sprinkle in 1.5 teaspoons of dried Mexican oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and the cracked peppercorns. I'm stirring constantly at this point as the spices toast briefly. During this process, they become even more fragrant. Everything has all of a sudden become so aromatic, so fragrant.
So spicy.
Yes, Nelson is coughing a little bit, so just be mindful of the fumes. I think I'm doing pretty well today. The spices have toasted for about a minute, allowing them to develop deeper flavors. I'm gonna add 2 cups of white distilled vinegar, and this has a 5% acidity. Do 2 cups of water. A tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 bay leaves, 5 sprigs of fresh thyme, and 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon of kosher salt. A quick stir, allow the mixture to reach a gentle simmer. If you have to increase that heat a little bit, you can do that, but just make sure this mixture stays at a gentle simmer the whole time. I'm gonna let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until those vegetables become tender but not mushy. All right, turn off the heat, and I'm gonna allow them to slightly cool down. Okay, I have a couple of 32-ounce clean mason jars, and this one is 12 ounces just because I am gonna have a little leftover. Transfer the ingredients into the mason jars and just distribute them evenly, leaving a little bit of headspace at the top. I transferred all of that brine into a friendlier container so that I can pour it into the mason jars and make sure those vegetables are completely covered. Allow these to cool down completely before you cover them, then store them in the refrigerator. Allow them to pickle for 3 days. That way all of those flavors really get a chance to penetrate the veggies. But honestly, I can never wait. And if that is you, I say wait 24 hours so you can enjoy these. These have to be kept refrigerated at all times, tightly covered, but for more tips, go to villacocina.com. I've got a jar here that I made a couple of days ago, and I gotta say, these jalapenos are so good. I already bit into one of those.
I love pickled cauliflower.
That's his favorite, so I always gotta add it in. These jalapenos are, they have the perfect amount of heat.
Wow. I say this in different videos, but this can be a snack.
My mom's getting a jar, you guys. I do not mind making a big batch because I can just gift these jars of pickled jalapenos. They're just so good.
And it's just spicy enough.
Oh my goodness. Even the onions. Okay, I got a little too excited there.
Wow. So good.
So good. That chili is gonna be for me, so step away from it. Actually, we got a whole bunch over here, so
Yes, we can share. See you on the next one, everyone.
guys, if you enjoy our videos, subscribe. You know,
Please
that's
do.
how you can show us your support. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye.